In this video, we'll show you how to install CookieYes on Wix and get your cookie banner live in just a few minutes. From your Wix account, open the site editor for the website you want to add the banner to. On the left sidebar, click Apps, then open the App Market. In the search bar, type CookieYes GDPR cookie banner. Open the listing and click Add to Site. Wix will show a permissions pop-up. Review it and click Agree and Add to continue. Next is a quick setup. First, choose your default banner language. Next, pick your banner layout. Then select a theme, preview how it looks on your site, and click Next Step to move ahead. Don't worry about making it perfect right now. You can always come back later and fine-tune your banner text, colors, buttons, and layout from the CookieYes dashboard inside Wix. Next up are your plan options. You can choose the free plan to publish your banner right away. The free plan lets you add one website per CookieYes account. So if you're setting up a single Wix site, you're all set. You'll also see a premium trial option here. It's completely optional, but helpful if you ever want CookieYes to automate more for you, like scheduled cookie scans, geo-targeting, advanced customizations, and multilingual banners. You can try those features on a free trial. Now let's get the banner live. After choosing your plan, click Publish in Wix. That's it. Your CookieYes banner is now active on your website. Let's quickly test. Open your site in an incognito window. Your banner should appear. Try Accept All, Reject All, and customize preferences to confirm everything works smoothly. Before you go, here are 2 quick next steps in CookieYes. Run a cookie scan so your cookie list is built automatically. And tweak your banner design anytime from the CookieYes app. Just go to the Wix editor, navigate to Apps, CookieYes app from the left sidebar. Click Cookie Banner on the dashboard and make the necessary changes. That's it! You've successfully added CookieYes to your Wix site, and your cookie consent banner is now live and ready to use.